So I just discovered this tiny little tool. I don't know if you've ever seen one of these before. It comes with the Bernina L890, which is a machine that I am currently testing and using and doing some lessons and tutorials on, which I'll be sharing as well. But one of the things that's inside the door as part of the toolkit is this little needle threader slash needle holder. And I've definitely seen these before. I think I just haven't bothered to learn how to use them. It's one of those things where now I'm kind of like, where have you been all my life? So I wanted to share this tiny little heck of a useful tool with you and show you how it works and potentially help save you so much anxiety and frustration threading your needles, and also inserting your needles into your machine, into your serger. I feel like you can probably use this on a sewing machine as well, which I'm going to test as well tonight. But it definitely goes with a serger. It goes with, it comes with a lot of the sergers that we sell at Bernina. And let's take a look at how this works. It's a game changer. Okay, so this is the magical needle threader slash needle holder from Bernina, and I'm going to show you how it works and how easy it is. So there is a little center groove, which some people say kind of looks like a mouth, and you're basically going to sort of feed the thread into there. And then there's an arrow on the top, so that's always going to be on the top, and you can have it either way. I usually have it with this pointing up for me, so this is sort of the upward direction. So you just take your thread and it's going to go into that little groove on the side, and then you just take your threader and you go right to the needle, and there's like a little center groove, and you just kind of put this right on the needle and slide it down. So it's not even that you're aiming, you just kind of get to slide it down. And then as soon as you hit the needle, you'll be able to feel it, you're able to push forward. And when you do push forward, it pushes forward that little threader. And so that's just pushing the thread through for you. And then the trick here is that you want to not pull it out. So if you're still kind of locked in, you just gotta grab it. And I think you can use this hook here, or use your fingers or the threader. Try to get it through. So easy peasy. So that, oops, that just gets everything through the needle. I don't know why it's not actually coming through. Oh, I just had a really long tail. Really long. Oh my gosh, I don't know why the tail was so long. What was I doing? Okay, so there's my tail finally through. And then to put another needle in place, this is the holder side. So the opposite side is a holder for the needle. You just drop your needle into that little holder, and it even sort of will fit so that the flat back fits into like the little groove. So that flat back is at the back. So then this way you're going to then just insert your needle in here. So the needle just goes up, and then you can just hold that in place and tighten it with your tool. And that's it. It's an easy peasy. And then we can thread this thread. Let's see if I've got my tweezers. So I'll just pull down my thread here a little bit, and then we can thread this other thread. Same thing, I'm just going to come inside, go into the side groove there, face it towards my machine, slide down, goes in, comes down, slides through. And then you just grab it from the back. Amazing. Just so clever and so useful and so simple. Tell me what you think.